Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is going to be one of your favorite cheesecake recipes. It's a no-bake blueberry cheesecake. I'm going to show you how to make it from the crust to the cheesecake filling to the blueberry topping. And it's so simple and delicious. Let's get started. In a blender or a food processor, start out by adding 10 graham crackers, and it can be the graham cracker of your choice, either honey or cinnamon. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Turn your blender on until your cookies become a powder form. To a 9.5-inch baking dish, add your graham cookie mixture and then add 4 ounces of melted butter. Make sure your butter is unsalted since we added a pinch of salt to our graham cookies. Mix well until you are able to form a crust. At this point, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The only thing that's baked in this cheesecake recipe is our crust. Flatten it out evenly and then place in a 350 degree oven for a total of 6 minutes. Remove from the oven, set aside to cool while we start on our filling. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. With a hand mixer, start blending the softened cream cheese until it's creamy-like. Then add 1 can or 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Blend your ingredients together, making sure you scrape down the sides while blending. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 of a cup of half and half. Blend well for about 4 minutes on high speed until creamy-like texture. And this is the consistency that you want it to look like. Add your cheesecake filling on top of your baked crust. Spread it evenly and set aside. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 2.5 cups of blueberries. I have a mix of fresh and frozen. It's what I had on hand, but you can do fully frozen or you can do fully fresh. It's up to you. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1 tablespoon of water and stir together. If there's any stems on the fresh blueberries, make sure you take those off. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the juices start coming out. After a few minutes, your berry mixture is going to look like this. In a small cup, add 1/4 of a cup of water and 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. Dissolve that well and pour it on your berries. Reduce your heat to low before you pour it. And now if it thickens up too much, just like this, you can thin it out with a little bit of water. So I added probably about another 3 to 4 teaspoons of water, just slowly adding and mixing. And this is the consistency that you want it to be in the end. Then add your blueberry mixture on top of your cheesecake layer. And then spread evenly and refrigerate. You need to chill at least 4 to 6 hours before serving. Overnight works even better. And then your no-bake cheesecake is ready to serve. Look at this cheesecake. It's a delicious, crispy, flaky crust with that delicious blueberry and cheesecake filling. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.